self-care day is a success. You do not need to be crying on your bedroom floor, having a mental breakdown to have a self-care day. Speaking from experience, my friend, she literally will just take a self-care day just because she feels like it. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let me know when the last time you guys did that was. It better not be because you're having a breakdown. Tastes like cherry, but it's watermelon flavored. There's like 3 Alani flavors that all taste like cherry. I'm about to do a workout. I want to try do like a pre-workout, but I think it'd give me anxiety, honestly, and my workouts are just not hectic enough. I'm gonna journal because I'm a journal girl now. You can tell if I'm in a good or a bad mood depending on the type of journaling I'm doing. That's enough. I can already tell that today is going to be a good day. I just got this package of activewear in the mail. I'm about to do a workout. Perfect timing. I love that. Oh, it's short. That is honestly really cute. I do feel like it's a little bit small for my boobs, but that's okay. I'm going to put my hair up. The amount that I work out with my hair down is crazy. It's really hot doing that, but I don't like getting kinks in my hair, so I do it all the time. This is the workout I'm doing. It's Daisy Keisha's bubble butt workout and it burns. I used to feel like it wasn't a real workout if I did it at home, but it freaking is. If I feel comfortable working out at home, then just do it. It doesn't matter that you're not going to the gym. I do kind of want to do Pilates though. If you want to hype up Pilates classes in the comments, I would appreciate it. I love that she doesn't give you a break. That is all I have for you. Thank goodness. I'm exhausted. I don't know if it's because I'm on my period, but I feel like I'm so much more exhausted from that workout. It literally looks so easy, but it's hard. Thank you so much to Intimina for sponsoring this video. I love this brand. I love that they're trying to get rid of the stigma around women's health, periods, around intimate wellness. As someone who took years to even be able to talk about just periods with my girlfriends, let alone talk about sex, I love that this brand is doing that. I literally only started talking about sex with my girlfriends like a few years ago, and I'm in my mid-20s. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but working out on my period can be kind of terrifying, especially if I ever go to the gym. I get freaked out that I'm gonna like leak at the gym. Even just like going on like a walk, I feel the same way. But in January, I started using the Ziggy Cup 2 from Intimina. Here she is. It's a flat fit, reusable menstrual cup. It comes in 2 different sizes, A and B, for different flows and different body types. It's super easy to put in and take out. And when I first got this back in January, being 100% honest, I searched Ziggy Cup on TikTok and there was a video of someone talking about mess-free period sex. I literally didn't even realize that that is possible. Like I said, it comes in 2 different sizes, size A and B, but I cannot show you size A because I am wearing it. And the Ziggy Cup is also made from 100% medical grade silicone. I don't know if you can like see just how thin and flexible this is, but that obviously makes it so comfortable to like put in. You literally can't feel it when you're wearing it. It has a leak-proof double rim, which offers 8 hours of protection, and then on this side you have this little pull tab which you just hook your finger onto and then you can pull it out. To insert it, you just put it in slightly, and then once it's in, you can just push it in with your finger. It is so easy. It's one of those things that the very first time that you use it, it all just makes sense and you're like, oh dang, this is as easy as tying shoelaces. And I love a hot girl beach walk, so it's really nice to just go out, not worry about like quickly coming home because you're going to be worrying about leaking. And thanks to Intimina, a hot girl walk can also now turn into hot girl sex on your period. I'm going to have Intimina linked down below for you, and you can find out more information about the Ziggy Cup 2. You can discover how to have a stress-free period, mess-free period sex. Check the link below. I don't ever track my macros. Honestly, I just don't really care for the most part, except I'll do it like twice a year just to make sure that I'm getting like enough protein, enough fat, enough carbs. I don't really know that much about nutrition in general. This is my favorite smoothie to make. It's very fresh and tropical with pineapple, but I have never really put spinach in it. But my friend told me that putting spinach in a smoothie, you literally can't taste it. I'm calling BS. That feels like a lot of spinach. Banana, a little bit of oat milk. This is where I normally screw up. I either have way too much or absolutely not enough, and I have to keep adjusting. Looks like the spinach is gonna taste a certain way. I won't even lie, the close-up shot is just because I'm so proud of these cups that I got for Christmas. You cannot taste the spinach. I felt like I put a lot am too. If anything, it just makes me feel healthier, so I'm not even mad at it. I'm gonna make Kane one. Oh, that was a chunk. My bad. Sorry, Kane. Okay, here's my masterpiece smoothie.
Oh, I like it. That's actually really good.
I am really proud of this.
I didn't even know there was spinach in
You're disgusting. I actually do not think there's a better feeling than sleeping with fresh bed sheets. Ugh. So tonight, I think I want to have the best sleep of my life. I'm gonna change these out. I'm feeling so good. Kane has just told me that he thinks that he has the spicy cough because he went in the elevator this morning and the woman that was in the elevator with him was sick, and now he reckons that he's getting sharp stabbing pains in his throat. I don't think it works that quickly.
It just makes me overthink. I saw this one an hour ago.
Even if I just think back to being in school and getting like head lice, that makes my hair itchy just thinking about it. Anyway, I'm gonna vacuum. Starving. We don't really have any food because I don't go grocery shopping. Well, I do, but I haven't gone in a while.
Time for food.
You gonna come?
Yeah.
We've come out on a hot girl walk, but hot girl walk featuring Kane.
Yeah, it's a hot boy walk as well.
Honorary hot girl. And it's really nice because I just feel like getting fresh air makes me feel better.
I'm here for the food that we're going to get.
Yes, we're walking to lunch. Somebody just nearly stepped in it.
Yeah, I nearly did. You're about to. I'm kidding.
The fact that I am gullible enough to believe this boy, there is stuff wrong with me.
Look at this hot girl on the hot walk.
Everyone is literally going to think that you still have feelings for me from that.
Is it not like temperature hot girl walk, like when it's like
no,
sunny?
hot girl, attractive, yeah. Curry tots and the puss puss one. Is it small? Yes, please.
Yeah, like sweet potato fries, regular fries. Yeah, I'll go regular.
Too healthy, you know.
We'd get a drink.
Oh, the apple?
I like
Yeah.
that one. Could I order the regular fries, please? And just one of the apple juices.
The best juice ever. This place is really cool. They give you these little bottle tops and then you can put them in and they make a donation to charity. Here's yours. Are we going for the same one? Thank you. So we got a salad, but we wanted to balance it out because self-care is about balance. This fries is powdered mayo, which is the best mayo. This one is so good. It has nuts in it. It's like crunchy. The other one is just curried potatoes. Also good, not as good.
We just finished eating and saw people come up from down here and there's swings.
Not sure who set this up, but this is the cutest thing I've ever come across. I would say that the self-care day is a success. Lunch was great, but the best thing to come out of it is probably the bottle of rosé that I got on the way home. Right as the sun is setting, chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. I'm very excited. I still haven't put the sheets back on the bed, which I'm not going to do right now. I'm going to read Atomic Habits, which is a book that I have literally opened 100 times and never fully got into it, but everyone that I talk to that's read it always loves this and raves about it, and I feel like I need to like wind down for the rest of the day. Honestly, ever since I got my Kindle, I just don't want to read anything other than fiction, but we'll give it a go. I haven't read a book in about 12 years. Oh, it's time! We got honey soy chips because they're the best flavor. Don't fight me on this, they're the best. I love it how the chips are far from everyone.
See, I always do the 50-50.
I'm gonna do a little bit of self-care, hair treatment. I need to quickly wet my hair, which is a little awkward because you guys are here, but come along for the journey. Can someone make a good Olaplex dupe that doesn't cost like $50? I feel vulnerable like this. I do feel like the front pieces are like a little bit brittle, not gonna lie. Oil cleanse. I used to oil cleanse all the time, but sometimes it hurts my eyes. Big Shrek energy right now. My dad likes to tell me that you don't learn anything on TikTok, but I learned that you can leave a face mask on for too long. So we're only gonna leave this on for 15 minutes because we don't want to damage our skin. Then we're gonna get in the shower. Putting on a face mask made me feel some type of way, and now I'm about to go watch 50 Hiram videos and get a whole like 10-step skincare routine. Also watching super old episodes of Keeping Up with the Kardashians when Kim was dating that random guy that she got married to. And I've got my hot water bottle. But I'm probably gonna be lazy and boring for the rest of the night. So thank you to Intimina for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to check out more information on the Ziggy Cup 2, check the links down below, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.